The third happy birthday again starts with two Ds, but the next notes are different. It goes from the open D string to a high D, which is the third finger on the A string. Make sure to rock your bow from D to A and place your third finger down before your bow plays the A string. Try it with me. The next note is B, which is the first finger on the A string. Try it with me. Now is the part of the song where we sing Dear Abby. The word dear is G, or your third finger on the D string. To play G smoothly, get ready to put your third finger on the D string while you're playing B on the A string. Try tapping your third finger like this. Now let's play it. For their name, Abby in this case, we play the notes F sharp, second finger, and E, first finger, on the D string. It sounds like this. Did you notice that the E was played long even though it's a quarter note and not a half note? That's because there's a symbol on top of the E called a fermata. A fermata means you hold that note for as long as you'd like before continuing. Try it with me.